Mo from Taj Merlin Medics. I've got a Hyundai i20 here on a 2017-2018 plate. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this one right here. So I've already seen what it is. I'm just going to show you basically how to get to it. Now I've got an advantage for this one because I've got a ramp here. I can do it. But what you need to do is, if you're doing this on the floor, all you need to do is turn the steering wheel all the way, lock it to the left, so you can get to the arch lining. Now this arch lining here is already broken, as you can see right there. So what I've done is I've undone these two little grommets. It's like screw ones, so you need a Phillips screwdriver for this, and they're right at the bottom there. If I just shine the light, so you get one here, and then you got one on the inside somewhere around sort of this area. I think that's it, that's where it goes to do it. And then you undo these two little ones as well. They are quite easy to undo, so all you do is put a screwdriver in and gently twist it to the left. If the inner bit's moving, so all you do with your second hand, hold the inner bit and then spin the outer bit. That should do it. If that doesn't work, spray some lubricant in there so it'll free up a little bit as well. Now to do it, it's that bulb right there. So it's the bulb socket right there. That's for the daytime running lamps. The bulb you need, it's a 380. You can find this bulb in the description. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slot my hand in. So bear in mind I am on my own. So slot my hand in all the way. So once I've got it in there, as you can see right there, so I've got a hold of it. So I twist that to my left and then pull the whole thing out. My hands are stuck. Now that I got it out, so what I need to do now is replace the bulb. Now how I know it's a double filament bulb, because when I looked through the lens, it had two filaments on the inside, which would then mean it would need a 380 bulb. The single filament one is the 382. So I've got the bulb out now, as you can see right there. So that's got two filaments. And then you can see the locator, the pin locator is one slightly higher than the other. If you look on this one, so that's how it goes. So there's only one way on this one. So if I slot the bulb in, like I said to you, I am on my own. So that's in there now, as you can see. So it's not coming out. I then slot it through the gap hole again, which I'll get the bulb holder in first because I don't want to really damage it. And then I then get my hand in. I will be scratching myself. I mean, you know what, they could have made it a lot easier, but you know, I just don't get it with car companies nowadays. You know, they make life a lot more difficult. Right, so you got it into that position and then you twist it to your right. So that's it, that's all done. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to slot these back in as well. It is quite an easy procedure on these ones. So if I slot that one in first, okay, I need to line it up, so I'm gonna, this is gonna be a nightmare, isn't it? Okay, we're trying this one. Right, that's in there now. So what I need to do now is push it in a little bit more. That's it. And then I can screw this bit in. As you can see, screwing in nicely. So don't put a lot of pressure on there. So you just gently screw it in. That's all you do. I'm going to put the other one in as well. But for now, this is it. So, right, that's it all done. So anything else you need to know, do check out the playlist for Hyundai. And it will be in there as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.